Family members.
Family members. Today I am going to teach about family. In your primary classes, you already learned about so many things about family. Now I am going to review some things you are learning in our primary classes. Now, let me start. How many members are there in your family? We are 4. Even in your family?
4.
3. All the family, we don't have all the family members same family members. We have different members in our family. So we divide families into 3 types. One is extended family, nuclear family, and single parent family.
ఇంకా అందరూ mostly see in India, we see extended family. Where there is a grandparents, mother, father, children. Now there is a of nuclear
family where there is a father, mother, and
2 children.
2 children are single. In this case, only single parent, a father, a mother, and children. Now write down your family picture on the paper and draw a family picture like this. How many members are there in the family and draw it.
We will draw it at the home and bring it tomorrow, madam. We don't have colors.
Okay, tomorrow you draw a picture and color it neatly. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.